level of the waterfalls in Mantayupan. Around 40 meters in length. This is the first waterfalls that you will be seeing before you reach the main waterfalls, which has the height of 98. At least this one, you can also swim, and it's family friendly. Pwede to sa mga bata, sa mga batang takot to have an adventure in the very huge waterfalls. Pwede to, it's family friendly, children friendly. Pwede you can take a dip here and take a swim here. That's all. Same waterfalls, fresh waterfalls. Kaya lang talagang maginaw. And look at the beautiful scenery. Mantayupan Waterfalls, two-layered waterfalls in the municipality of Barili. Hello, good morning to my viewers in Mamita Lakwat-Sera channel. Good morning, I am with Cristel right now. At least, pasalamat ako kasi she granted an interview. And she will be inviting all of you, no? Para bigyan kayo ng idea how to visit Mantayupan Waterfalls. Sige, Cristel, invite our viewers worldwide kung paano marating ang Mantayupan Waterfalls.
So, good morning, good afternoon, or
good evening ba?
Good evening
Depende sa anong continent kayo. Okay, go, Cristel.
So, I would like to invite you to visit here in Mantayupan Falls. It is the landmark of Barili. So, in going to the Mantayupan Falls, very simple radyo guys. Yeah, it's very simple lang. So, you will be pwede ramo mo sa
Go ahead. Pwede.
Motorcycle?
Halimbawa kung magdadala ng sasakyan, may malaking parking area, no? Ang
Yes,
landmark, ang pinakamadaling landmark na mapuntahan para hindi sila mahirapan mag-locate.
okay.
Yung municipal.
Yes, Municipal
Bus,
Hall.
Municipal Auto Barili.
So we'll be starting there sa atong Municipal Hall. So pagkagaling sa Municipal Hall, pwede lang kayo mag-ask if paano pumunta dito. So very simple lang. If may sasakyan kayo, straight lang talaga galing sa highway. Then pwede din kayong magtanong doon sa
Mga tricycle driver.
yes, mga tricycle driver kasi alam talaga nila kung paano papunta
Or
dito
if
sa
not, kung
Mantayupan
wala kayong
Falls.
dalang sasakyan, just like na wala akong dalang sasakyan, I have a very good guide, mga mabait ang mga tao doon.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Silang naging guide ko. Madali lang puntahan, no? Aside from that, since we are still under pandemic, ano ang mga rules na dapat they have to follow when entering Mantayupan Waterfalls? What are the requirements?
So, in the Mantayupan Falls, you needed na to ang mask, and also dapat meron din kaming temperature here. If yes,
Kompleto po sila.
Yes, it will indicate if you are in a normal temperature or hindi na. So, before going to the Mantayupan
At
Falls,
saka may contact tracing kayo.
yes sir, we have
You have to fill up, no?
Yes, you have to fill up later.
The form. Yung form.
Yes, sir. Before
Ito,
entering.
this is a very relevant question kasi last few days ago, si Madam Gwen Garcia have announced na pwede na daw maligo sa waterfalls. Ano sa inyo? Pwede na bang maligo sa waterfalls?
Yes sir, pwede na po maligo sa waterfall.
Uulitin ko ha, because few days ago si Madam Gwen have announced na pwede na daw maligo sa waterfalls. So, included sa Mantayupan Waterfalls, pwede na po kayong maligo sa Mantayupan Waterfalls. Since when na pwede na silang maligo? When?
I think,
Matagal na?
yes sir, mga March nag-start na, March pa lang kasi ako nag-start dito
Opo,
sir,
okay.
as temporary staff lang sir.
Okay,
because-
but at least you can assure our
Yes,
viewers na
yes,
pwede na sila. Pwede may mga tables, may mga, nagsiserve ba kayo ng pagkain?
Yes sir, we have foods here, we have drinks, we also have tables and chairs that you can rent. We
Okay.
also have rooms here if you want to stay for a
Oh, may
night.
mga rooms pala also
Yes.
stay overnight. How much is your entrance?
Our entrance is 50 pesos, but if you are a senior citizen and PWD, it's only 20 pesos.
Okay, may mga rooms, magkano rate ng rooms ninyo?
Yes. Our rooms will cost 1,000 for 24 hours.
Ang capacity ng room is?
Yes, ang capacity ng room, sir, is 6 to 8 persons. It's a family room,
Yes,
sir.
it's very reasonable. And
Yes,
besides,
sir. And
it
it's
is a majestic.
air-conditioned, sir. It's air-conditioned.
Hindi na kailangan ng aircon dito kasi we need
na eh.
fresh air. We have the best nature here.
Yes, sir.
And one thing more, what time do you open and what time would be the last acceptance of guests?
The time that we will open is 6 a.m.
6 a.m.
Yes,
Okay.
it is okay to enter na.
Okay.
Then sa cut-off na mo sir is 5 to sir.
5 o'clock in the
Yes,
afternoon.
but there are some people sir nga muhangyo gyud so
To
5:30.
extend until
Yes.
5. Kasi the
5:30.
reason for that is for the safety.
Yes sir.
Di ba? Safe for. Yung
But
ano lang,
masyadong-
security, safety lang.
Ngit-ngit na din sir.
Okay? Thank you very much and we hope to see you here in Mantayupan Waterfalls,
Yes.
the highest waterfalls in the province of Cebu. Daghang salamat and don't forget to subscribe to my Mamita La Cuacera YouTube channel worldwide. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Rustic and mystical. Okay? I only paid 40 pesos for this awesome experience. Visit Mantayupan Waterfalls here in Municipality of Barili. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mamita La Cuacera, for more exciting content in the beautiful islands of the province of Cebu.